Now, let's see how PHP solved this operation. So in here we have these brackets, we have the power, also we have the remainders. Let's see which operators does PHP solve first. So let's start. First, the PHP will solve these brackets, same as PHP. So it will take concentration to solve the brackets. Then, okay, let's add the order as well here. Then after that, it will solve this power. So the second thing it will solve is that power. Then third, it will solve the multiplication, remainder, or divide any of them that come first. So in here, let's type third, we will solve multiplication, division, or the remainder. Any of them that comes first, it will solve. And finally, at the end, it will solve the plus and minus. It will do these operations. So let's do this exactly this what we said. So let's comment this out and so one by one solve our equation. So first of all, let's solve anything that is inside these parentheses. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Then multiplication. After that, we have to solve this operation because this is also inside parentheses and it's in the power as well. So 2 to power of 3 is equal to 8. Then our remainder. Now we have to solve this equation. So in here, first thing that we have to solve is 6 divided by 3. So let's do that. 4 minus 3. Now if we echo this, we got 0. So let's go one more step down. So let's create our variable in here. Now again 15 times 8 remainder, and we have to solve this parenthesis. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now echo this, again we got 0. Now let's go one more step down. Let's solve this. So result is equal to, now in here first the multiplication comes, then the remainder. So 15 times 8 is equal to 120 and remainder 1. Now finally let's solve this one also. So result is equal to 120 divided by 1. How much will remain? Nothing. So in here the result will be 0. So if you divide 120 by 1, there is no remainder. So that's why the result is 0. So let's uncomment this. So that's how the PHP solve our equation. First it will take care of parentheses, then the power, after that multiplication, division, or remainder, any of them that comes first, and finally the plus and minus.